Your company just hired 200 new employees. Every one of them need access to HR policies, security procedures, onboarding guides, and internal documents. But instead of emailing IT every time they have a question, imagine having one secure place where employees can find everything they need. So I asked AI to build that system. Here's what it created. But this is a huge step up from my last project. Last time I asked AI to build a URL shortener. It created a working application, but this time I wanted to see something closer to what a real company might actually use. So I asked AI to build an internal knowledge management portal. The idea is simple. A company has thousands of documents, HR policies, security guidelines, contracts, training materials. Employees need to upload them, organize them, search them, and access them securely. Here's what AI built. First, it created different levels of access. An admin can manage all documents in the system. An employee can search and download company documents but can only delete the documents they personally uploaded. That might sound like a small detail, but this is exactly the kind of rule real businesses need. You don't want every employee accidentally deleting important company documents. Next, it added security. Passwords are protected using encryption instead of being stored directly. Users need to log in before accessing private documents. And actions that change data are protected against common security attacks. But the most interesting part was how the app was designed internally. The AI didn't just create one giant block of code. It separated the application into different layers, handling data, business rules, security, and the user interface separately. Why does that matter? Because when a company grows, software needs to grow with it. For example, right now documents can be stored locally, but the system is already designed so we can move those files to cloud storage later without rebuilding the entire application. And this is what it gets exciting. Imagine uploading a 100-page employee handbook. Instead of manually searching through it, an AI assistant could read those documents, understand the information, and answer questions like how many vacation days do new employees get? Or what is the company's remote work policy? That's the direction we are heading. None of that is built yet, but the architecture already makes those features possible. And that's exactly how good software evolves. You don't build everything on day one. You build a foundation that lets the product grow without rewriting everything 6 months later. So over the next few weeks, we are going to treat this like a real engineering project. We will review the architecture, challenge AI's decisions, improve what it missed, add enterprise features, and eventually turn this into an AI-powered knowledge platform. Because generating code is easy, building software that lasts is the hard part. Next video, let's review AI's architecture like senior engineers and see whether these design decisions actually hold up.